In this video, we're dialing up the fun meter. Yep, we're going brushless. It's going to be awesome. What's going on? This is Ryan from RC Off-Road, and today we're going to be doing a brushless Onyx Brushless Esc combo review with my old ECX Torment 4x4. I already installed it and figured you guys wanted to see another install video. There's a million of them on the internet, but I mean, it's a real nice setup. Got a 540 can, 4,000 kilovolt motor, 4-pole sensorless with a 70 amp ESC with a fan built into it. You know, you got a set button where you can set all your parameters. You can set your punch, you can set your brake, you can set your lipo cutoff, all that. It's a pretty cool little setup. I've did a little temp check-in and about run a battery pack and a half through it, doing a little testing, and the motor's a little warm, so I'm gonna have to do a little bit of gearing change. I got the factory pinion in it, which is a 12 tooth, so it might have to go a little taller. I'm not sure yet. I'm still playing with it. But I was always a nitro guy, and the technology in this newer electric stuff is just unreal. This truck with this setup with just a 2S lipo is just, I was flat blown away. This is my first brushless setup I've ever toyed with, so needless to say, I was quite surprised. I mean, this is what I'm coming from. I love my RC10 GTs. They're sweet. This is my first hobby grade truck, nitro. This ain't got nothing on that. Absolutely nothing. And speed wise, this thing's way faster. Way faster. Now, this was rated for 2S, but first time I ever ran 2S battery in this, I cooked the motor. That's why this is in here. If you want to see the video that I cooked the motor on, I'll put a link in the description, because I pretty much filmed that whole little bass session when I melted this motor down. But if you're looking for a good, cheap, name brand setup, you know, you see a lot of the Ghoul RC and a lot of the cheaper 35, 40, whatever, you know, prices on Amazon and eBay and this and that. I like to kind of stick somewhat closer to at least name brand or something that maybe you get a little more trust into. Not knocking any of the cheaper stuff, but I picked this up at my local hobby shop for 85 bucks. I also like to support my local hobby shop when I can, as much as I can. Helps them out, helps me out. So for anybody who's looking to get into like an entry-level brushless setup, if you want to spend a bunch of money on a Castle or Hobby Wing or anything like that, it's a perfect little setup. I mean, this thing is unreal with the $85 upgrade. I mean, this truck's not really worth the Castle $250. There's a lot of things I don't care for about this truck, but I've had it for a long time, haven't really broke that much, so I didn't want to dump a bunch of money in a motor and ESC combo, because there's just a lot of things I don't really care about it. I'm not going to go into it in this video, but yeah, we're going to slap a battery in this thing, and we'll take her outside and shoot some video of it running, so it should be pretty cool. Alright, Onyx 4000 kV brushless setup and an ECX Torment 4x4. Do a little testing. Here we go. 2S lipo. definitely rips, that's for sure. Way faster than any nitro I ever had. Biggest complaint of this truck is the turning. Sucks big time. I recommend anybody, man. You're thinking about going brushless, I'd do it in a second. Hey, rip. Oh, there we go. Oh, on its wheels, there we. Oh. The steering is horrible on this truck. I mean horrible. That's my biggest complaint with it. Well, yeah, there it is, man. If you guys like what you see, make sure you subscribe, comment, tell me if you like these trucks, if you had one of these trucks. There's some things I like about it and some things I just don't. I can see why ECX quit making them. That's for sure. Yeah, this is Ryan from RC Off-Road. See you guys later.